Okay, welcome back. This is a new and really high participating. I have been waiting for this game so long. It took me about a few days, and I just remembered about it. So let's get to it. Dead Rising Chachi Drop. What? Okay, my nunchuck. It's weird right now. And actually, let me fix my nunchuck. No, Frankie. No way, Frankie. Anyways, we're going to be doing this for a while. As you can see, I have the sword bot on. So this is pretty weird. But yeah, we are not going to go to the PC gun shop. I haven't played the Wii in a while, so I suggest going to play. I went down the Z button through the entire game, and there is a mission you get to do. Anyways, that upgrade right there, that was a secret mission bonus. Don't worry, secrets, because they get throughout every single time I play. But anyways, let's go. In a hurry. Now all we gotta do is just kill him. Really fast. There. Done. Got that. Yeah, there's some rifle ammo. We don't need it. So I can do it myself. I beat the game for crying out loud, but there's like a game clear file in there. I thought like in this game you can have like combo weapons. I thought there was like combo weapons all around crap. But yes, I also have the Chicago typewriter. And Molotov cocktails. So we're gonna cook those. Racing to kill this zombie. Oh, you just got burned flames. The game was insane. I couldn't even stop doing it. All I gotta do to do one's moves. Maybe not twist. You get $2,000 each time you do that. Shooting leg. He's dead. Yes, if this thing stopped moving, I'm there, I got the queen. I have a secret for queens. It's for killing Joe each time in this game. Each time you get to kill Joe, you have to use a queen. But before Joe was invented, I used queen bees for anything. Anyway, there's a new way to do that. And all you gotta do is beat the game once and you'll get the small chainsaw. Now you can do a neck twist on this guy. Oh yeah, you can pick up skateboards. Use those. But they only last a while. Hit for 3 hits. Anyways, I always use the skateboards, just drop it. And then I go into my inventory.
How you doing, Josh?
I'm doing good, Sarah.
Huh?
I'm doing a video, Sarah.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Oh,
Cool.
that's my sister. Anyways, we are going to go get the laser sword, so we're gonna have to follow the sky around. And just kill them. Hey, here's another trick. All you gotta do is hit her with the laser sword 2 times and then she dies. Killbot is really funny. Everyone just in that, except for people who aren't new. The only time I will be using the oh, here's the fun part. You can swing the zombies. Giant swing, 700 zombies kill bonus. Anyways, we're going to go over here, get a kill the zombies. I'm gonna pick up this apple. Get it off. Yeah, my controller is spazzing out right now. Okay, I'll fix it. Don't worry. Yeah. Bye, I guess.